Welcome back to Tech with LMC, everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and anything else I do for fun. In today's video, I will be replacing my 2015 Lexus CT200H speakers for the Kicker CS series. The fronts are 6x9-inch 3-way speakers rated at max 150 watts RMS, and the rears are 6.75-inch 2-way speakers rated at 100 watts RMS. I kept the dash tweeter stock for now. If I end up adding an amp in the future, then I'll upgrade the dash tweeters as well. I'll have the links in the description for the speakers I used as well as any brackets or wire harnesses. Alright, let's get started with the front speakers. Pry off the plastic cover behind the side view mirror. Pry off the plastic cover behind the door handle. Remove the cloth cover from the armrest and the screw behind it. Remove the screw behind the door handle. Pry off the driver's side armrest controls panel and unplug the wire harness. Next, remove the screw behind the panel. Now pry off the door panel. It has various clips and requires significant force to remove. You don't need to remove the door handle connection. Just place some cardboard or soft material on the ground and let the door panel rest on it. Remove the stock speaker by unplugging the wire harness and removing the 4 bolts holding it on. Plug in the new wire harness to the OEM plug. Feed the wires through the new speaker bracket and plug them in. The large connector goes to the large pin, and the small connector goes to the small pin. I put a finger under the pin to help apply force to be able to actually plug the wire to the pin without breaking it. Install the new speaker with the same 4 bolts, and finally, do the exact same thing on the other side on the front. Let's move to the rear speakers. Pry off the cover behind the door handle and remove the screw. Pry off the control arm rest panel and remove the wire harness. Pry off the door panel from the bottom and sides. Remove the plastic cover behind the small rear window. Remove the screw behind the controls arm rest panel. Here's a closer look of the things I removed. Remove the door panel and place it on the cardboard piece. No need to remove the door handle connection. Remove the stock wire harness and the stock speaker by removing the 3 bolts. Install the new speaker with the wire harness as shown for front door, and that's it. You're done. Alright, let's test this system now.
Shit, Andre. Oh, for sure. Yeah. Check it out. It's still Trey.
I'm pretty happy with this setup, but I think I'm definitely going to be changing the head unit soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe.